Yeah, you know, I see a boy black magic in a dance hall church, you know. Anything about my weed happening, you know. I'm there I represent for Storm Bossy SWAT team. Hey, pretty girl Storm. Anything violate must gone by Dan. Gangster Dan. We don't run joke, you know, yo Tanya. Yo fret them. You know, see a black magic, you know. Dance hall church, you come represent for Storm Bossy SWAT team. Don't play with the girl them head, you know, cause what I mean.
I write that somebody there in the comment.
Oh, when it first happened, yeah.
Yeah.
Went over my life, yeah.
Yeah, they're not over here, me there. And here's the show over there rub me. So it's what? I want to know is what?
You wasn't the guarantor.
Cause I know me still, although I come out and come rub me still not come out with the darkest, the darkest. I come out with something, yes. But me not come out with the darkest. Where Rambo Steve there, but Rambo Steve come right here, so.
Rest of this I got too far, you know, me have to let you truth, I got too far.
And I'm not come out with the darkest secret, boy, you trick me.
It's just I get to a point where I just can't bother no. Just not get what's going on.
I'm just gonna phone the police now.
You need to. A police them I use on badness, what? Yeah, cook my man food, you know. I have to make sure I'm healthy and strong for when they pull up on my plate. Alright. You can't see shit. People are coming, Kandy?
Yeah.
Because I can't even reply.
Why? You don't see the comments or it just disappear?
I can't see shit.
You might tell Brash to just report Annie and move on. That's the best thing Brash said tonight when she said she had to report them.
Hey, this is gonna get nasty, you know. May I tell you? And you can't.
IG is a different world, man. People are dangerous over here. Dangerous.
People want to kill her. People want to kill her for where you stay.
People crazy. I don't know. There's some mad ass people up on IG that time, you know. They're sick in their head.
Boy, why could it be that you want to take my family life and take my baby father life?
I am not nothing to her.
What is it? What is it make you could have want to take my family them life and take my life? Come here, you say me will get my head back lick off. Hey.
Did you say you know say we get your head back lick off?
Hey. Me know what? What me know?
That mother like to ask the way you know.
When my blood clot know, Annie. When me know. Anything me know you blood clot tell me. Anything me know you tell me, and your mouth is not yours, so somebody else know, and somebody else know, and somebody else know, and somebody else blood clot know.
Well, me I know.
I'm here and Karen over this talk about me don't call her name, so she was there. Yes, you did blood clot there upon the call. Me have screenshot for sure so you did upon the blood clot call. So where your blood clot talk? We no want to the name for call or not come each up on blood clot call. Like we no want come gang bang blood clot me pan call. So the blood clot don't know.
And you need to keep my ear more before Brassy have to release the blood clot tape when you used to chat Annie. Because Brassy tape your nasty blood clot and because Brassy man a real friend.
Me don't know what me to Kayan. After me have her on tape over here, so chat Annie. Me and you chat Annie.
Calm down yourself. How would I know that? Calm your little self.
I don't want to Kayan. I run a come out. Go sit down. Yeah, run a come out, but come make you lick in a mouth. Hey, no dirty girl feel like say. Me easy for blood clot leak. Hey, wanna name the blood clot
Oh, them
time
and y'all get promised me cover there for 2 weeks. They want
yeah,
back
go
up
suck out your blood clot, mama. And go away. Bowly. I don't feel like me a blood clot idiot, Bowly. Go suck out your mama. Bowly.
Bruce Brashy.
Boy, me for come bring mouth. But up on you, then you could have lick me. You could have blood clot lick me. I would have kicked you down, you see, girl. And stamp in your blood clot face. You could have licked me. You could have licked me. When you vex you now blood clot tag team me. Cause when I not get the money, she said you come.
And somebody just come in.
Come and say what?
The only lick on a can lick Brassy is underneath Brassy when Brassy skin out her blood clot pussy phone a lick count is a bunch of batty girl. And second blood clot lick. If Annie na lick out down blood clot to come disrespect our family. I if Annie lick and when this a Brassy a come
Can
from the
block this page?
which page? Well I'm on see page right? Oh, the Tianna page. No, Tianna, we not kill ourselves. You come kill away. No more argue with the page. Hold on. My food almost done. Hold on. No, Tianna, you want to come kill me. As a matter
Me
of
never
fact,
know.
no, Tanya, are you want to come kill me, Tanya? Because Tanya is still on a fake page and start the whole of this. Are you are the mastermind with the whole of this? So yeah, enjoy it now, because you say, yes, block everybody, because we know, no.
Okay.
Page you come. I Tanya, you couldn't make a better page. Tanya, out of every name in the book, you better come out and shut her back. Because Tanya is
Back.
Tanya, next time if you come out and shut her back. God, this one gonna make sense. Tianna is too much of a nice name for you. Let's see, I'm a complete stranger. Big old Tanya. Shut her back, Tanya. We know you. We know a blood clot you. But through me, careless, me go back to back with you. Shut her blood clot back. No distraction. No distraction. Shut her back. Hey, girl, Tianna, speak for yourself, because I like Diary and Kandy. Right through my sleeve. Make she know. Make blood. Well, and then, that's herb on the corner. Hold on, Kandy. Man soon comes to have a herb and make sure the phone book.
So you know, she said two of them over here.
Hold on.
Hey, other blood clot page, yeah. A page I want to get Tianna want. Tianna say add me.
Running.
Make never deal with Tianna tonight.
Hello?
When you say hello for Tianna, move your nasty blood clot and come up and the pussy, walla pussy dirty girl. Tianna, who your blood clot come for? Go for your big stinking mama with underneath her John like a spring. Nasty blood clot, Tianna, me not give no blood clot time for talk. I'm more rubber scrub and nasty blood clot. Like when Jesus walk up on blood clot and your back.
Hey, girl, Tina. Hey, girl, Tina, stop Diary. Diary. Diary, stop, Tina.
Oh, Tina.
You see, oh, she asked for my Brassy. All me I tell the people, all me I tell them, say, mama done, cause both sides of the people I carry one another. When I say kill on themselves, I know not the grave. But hey, I not talk. Remember, I not tell you nothing what you tell me. Tomorrow, baby, I'll see you. I'll see you. You know what? Oh, she just tell you who. But it's all good. You saw you fast forward and hurry up. All me I make you know say both sides I be a carry go bring come. Wow, nobody know want hear the truth.
Up on the live with me, I know who me up on the live with. Who is
Lock me off then now. You know we know when it's lock me off. Lock me off then now. Bad girl, lock me off.
That clad me a combo.
Me not combo yo.
I respect that clad match. I couldn't me a combo. Coming on where you're from nowhere.
Me know that good man. It's alright, remember you know. Me not gonna send a trick. Remember me send a request, but you know, you're supposed to tired. Remember you say you cook, take time. Drink some water, goodie.
Blood clot pussy girl. Your pussy come like blood clot. Hey, don't let me have nothing dirty girl. Come don't know her from. You know her?
No, can be the think of Tina to me hear the laughing.
Brash that one like she know her.
No, but think of Tina. Can me hear like a laughing like Tina.
Like when Kandy used to cock up and piss in her pot. Nasty blood clot, Tian. You come jump up her life like a friend.
But me try pick up the voice.
Don't come for me a blood clot. I couldn't over here see you come and see a big stinking blood clot mouth.
Kandy, you recognize the voice?
No, me never know that.
I don't come for blood clot me. Can you talk about you 9 me? My 8, 9 and blood clot 10 you. Nasty blood clot, dirty girl, like me know you from nowhere. One of us things to me I come every night, come pick a new blood clot enemy. Dirty Tanya, stop sending blood clot straight dog them over here. Because Tianna, when I feel say you're bad, me not afraid of you now, big back, shut up, back, Tanya. So all of the blood clot team, Tanya, them, we are climb up on Tanya back, to come argue with me and Brassy and Kandy, wanna come one, come blood clot all. Because I'm sorry, something I drink a while ago. That's it, Tianna. From there, I drink my wine, why you never come stop with my big crutches, girl. Don't you thinking, Tianna?
When Tianna laughs, she sound like
why
Tina.
You never come? They say you know who she be. Who is she?
Hey, kid.
Tianna, who is the blood clot? You? Who is you? Because you're coming as a boy like somebody.
Me don't know who, me don't recognize the voice, I know.
Tianna, you used to there with the blood clot, Dana. Tianna, I'm a liar, I'm a police officer. Tianna, I used to walk on Wall and Cross Street. That's it, Tianna. One for blood clot, know where you're from. I come to.
But Tianna, Miss Leopard.
I we're not afraid for rub out a bitch like a blood clot crutches. Hey girl, we rub you up like when me rub my blood clot meat. Move your blood clot from your so. I come go on like you get first preference in a talking. Hey, sardine blood clot gutter break girl. We come over here so for nasty blood clot Tian. And can they come talk about hello your blood clot. Just stop your mother Tian. Just stop your mother. You can't come over here to come this no blood clot girl.
Hey, there you are,
Tian will buy what we blood clot one because we have hard working woman. You and nobody not scary. Unless we go back down in the blood clot, get where we come from. I'm going to blood clot, sardine and bread.
Sorry, Miss Lisa.
Good girl, rise up for it. Don't give the visa to the people them and Jamaica make them come up because youth make opportunity at the visa. Because all of the do come a blood clot foreign country can't give you a problem. Go stop your mother Tian. Don't take me off now. I'm have to take you off.
Oh, Tian, never recognize the voice? Diary come up loud and no. Alright, Diary, stop now.
Miss Lee, say you only have mouth or she has spin. Miss Lee, say you only have mouth because your man not did it. She starts spin again, lad. Them a report her. Are you Are you a report, my friend? Tian, can you sling over here and say nothing? You can't hear me, Brash?
Yeah.
I don't know. Diary.
The voice sound like me hear it already.
We say you're only bad when your man not did it.
Can she love it twisted? She was like king her teeth. Let me there try to figure out who is this person.
Perplex blood clot Sunday night for. Why you know all demons always come on Sunday come perplex when I see over here enjoy my blood clot night with the nice little come out. We'll come over here for nasty blood clot. Pickle me to a blood clot, Tianna. Tianna, yes, a drug you money over here. Tia come talk about how we supposed to know who. Nasty blood clot, Tianna. The Dan man of your blood clot, eh? And the Dan man of your know y'all. And the Dan no higher than blood clot. Tianna, don't come back over this blood clot.
Kandy, but don't like you.
It's a clot, a ring, so nasty get a ring you out.
Kandy, but don't like you at this very moment.
Peanut that come.
Tianna, I know you from nowhere. When I come climb up on Tanya big shutter back, I come go like you know I come test way. Don't blood clot come to me. I think it sound good for every day. Me and somebody catch up dirty Tianna. You come perplex me night and I come talk about breast know who you be. Nobody no know your Tianna. Tianna,
Me no recognize the voice.
Tianna fear me a blood clot look. You come talk about breast know you. Like
Tianna, say a word.
We're not afraid for blood clot romance come. No big pussy girl. Sit down there where she are the biggest gangster on blood clot IG. And if we touch she up when we're ready, who it's blood clot you. Hey girl, go sit down past cement with a big stinking body hole. I come over here so like you look blood clot round of applause or introduction for red carpet. Nasty Tianna. We not invite upon a red carpet. We are drag you through the blood clot back door. You little big stinking shit house, yo. How other Bigfoot Kandy way and nasty blood clot.
Finish your size 8.
I don't come back on this on what nasty blood clot and you have to go make
I swear because them want direct us. Them want your direct us. Why them do it? You know, she said the two of them apart.
No, but me clean ain't the nothing. At Tianna say we
no, but the two of them apart. You know, see them attack with them.
And Tianna say a baby father need to beat you and Tanya.
And the person upon Brash, that voice sounds familiar. It sounds
maybe
like
a friend when you know.
That car nasty blood clot. I come over here like she think red carpet is.
Should I beat you up, Miss Lee?
I make sure I got blood clot. Use my next page and black the dirty blood. Big black bug with bad blood. Nasty crutches Tianna. Nasty crutches Tianna where used to sell blood clot wriggling dump on the beach side. Where I come from, dirty blood clot girl when you have clot. Tianna. Why my man gonna work and me a cooking nice ribs? No, you make me go for salty blood clot pot. Dirty Tianna. Don't come for me a blood clot. I want my friend birthday.
Me don't know what. Me dey think of Tina a play around, cause when she laugh, it's so like when Tina fool around me.
And Tina could have them the gunman blood clot vice there. None of my friend them not chat like a big old ass where right. You sound like one pig with a blood clot something here. Tianna sound when two batty man a fuck. Tianna sound like when two dogs each out the door. Tianna sound like when cockacrow blood clot man. Move your nasty blood clot and don't come back on the like big pussy sardine old girl. Like me know you. Tianna, me know you from nowhere. You come talk about me true me not say. The way I could have said big pussy Tianna, one point Tanya live and down live and condone me. Me could do it. I come like a female blood clot. Look, or you can't get here for none way. This is the Kandy Lake Show, bitch. The Kandy Lake Show. And over here we have a blood clot goes. Nobody not say enough to talk your mind. But who is you? We're not where from where just jump in a war like you. Somebody, hey girl, Hey, girl, I want to fling up in her ear like a blood clot balloon and stab you with a needle.
Oh, Mister, when you write that, Miss Lee, when you say speak for yourself, I'm going to go back up and look what else did speak, but we never see no comment. A true Miss Lee at all.
We couldn't stroll back up.
Yeah, come go look when she talk to Miss Lee, when Miss Lee said to her, say, speak for yourself.
Yeah, she said nobody not like we.